Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates.
Delhi University has started its PG admission process for the year 2020. The online application form has been released on June 20, 2020 and the last date to register is July 4, 2020. The admission is offered via two modes, merit-based and entrance exam. Merit-based admission is offered only to graduates of DU, whereas candidates from other universities have to appear and qualify Delhi University Entrance Examination, also known as DUET. In this comprehensive video, Careers 360 presents to you step-by-step application procedure to fill the DU PG application form or DUET application form 2020. Step 1. Firstly, go to the DU PG admission portal and then provide your email address and create a password for registration. Step 2. After registering with the email, log in with the registered credentials and fill in the details and click on to register. As soon as this button is clicked, an OTP is sent to the registered email address for the verification and candidates need to provide the verification code sent through the mail. Step 3. Candidates will be further directed to a page where the personal details of the aspirants appear, which has been filled earlier. And in the next section of the same page, candidates have to upload their documents according to the specifications mentioned. Fill in their postal address, bank details, and then choose an option for the hostel requirement. It is to be noted that students residing within a radius of 70 km from the hostel are ineligible for the hostel option. After filling up these details, candidates have to click upload and then have to click on submit my profile. In case they want to update the uploaded files, they can do so by clicking on update uploaded files. After the submission, candidates need to click on save my profile. Step 4. After saving the profile, applicants are automatically directed to their personalized homepage where they can track their applications, and after this, aspirants have to click on apply. Further, applicants will be directed to a page where they have to fill their educational qualifications and choose the admission criteria, entrance-based, merit-based or both. Merit-based admission is offered only to graduates of Delhi University. After selecting the admission criteria, applicants have to choose the exam centers and select 3 cities according to their preference, and then they can also select DU Seoul as their other preference if they wish. Students wishing to apply through the sports quota need to select yes in the given option. After filling in all the details, candidates have to click on Save Application. Step 5. After the application is saved, candidates have to give their preference for each college department and provide the preference number for the 16 colleges accordingly and then click the Submit button. Step 6. After submitting the preferences for the college, candidates are directed to a page where they can preview the application form and modify the application in case they wish to, and then click on Pay Fee. Step 7. Now, moving on to the last stage of the application process. For this, candidates have to click on Payment Gateway in order to pay the requisite application fee. The application fee can be paid through net banking, debit card, credit card, UPI. After the fee payment, the status of the application on the personalized homepage of the candidate appears submitted, and then candidates can download their DU PG admission form filled in by them. Note: do not forget to take the printout of the filled in application form, which also reflects the fee payment details, as these would help you for any further reference.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and visit Careers 360 website for more details.